everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well guys, I am here with my second project share for Beebeecraft, and I'm super excited because this is something I've never done before. And I will leave the link to these awesome products down below. Please go check them out. And guys, they do have the YouTube program that if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can email them and you would be able to, they would tell you everything you would need to do in order to try out some of their products. So I highly recommend that. And I do have a coupon code that would save you some money on your next order, and I would truly appreciate that. So let's get started. Okay, this is the WOWZA set, and when I seen this set, I was thinking how versatile this well could be, because you could do it. It comes with all of these leaves and flowers and bushes, and I think it even comes with a butterfly, and it comes with 2 different roof types. And I mean, it's just so versatile. You could use it for Christmas, for spring, Thanksgiving, fall, you name it, you could use it. Well, you know what this girl did. I seen a Halloween wishing well. And so what I decided to do was I created a tag, and here's my whale. I love it. And see, there's the little bucket and then the string, and when the bucket came up, this little ghosty came out. So how fun is that? And then I put like this little skull sticker here, and this is one of the roofs. And then like here is I guess the lever to pull the bucket up. And then I put a tombstone and a cat here and a spider on there. And then this is one of the really neat branches that you don't have to just use for this. It could be pretty on anything that I used. And I just put some bats and said regions unknown. I just love that wishing well, and I did pop it up. Look how detailed it is. This is 2 pieces. That's 1 piece. And then the lever is 1 piece. How fun is that? I love the way this tag turned out. It's so stinking cute. Super, super fun. Can see this die using this a lot. So this is the whale die set that I created this tag from. Now, my other passion, steampunk. And when I got this set, I thought, oh, I'm going to make me a necklace, because what this is, it's a jewelry kit set, and you do get these instructions, and it shows you how you can make earrings, and it shows you how you can make a necklace. And so see, it kind of gives you step by step on how you do every single one of these. Well, I was going to make a necklace, and then I thought, you know what? I think it would be so cool to make a bracelet. And so that's what I did, which of course I can't put it on my own because my nails and stuff, but I actually put the clasp on the back. I used some chain, and then look, and I know, I was thinking after I got it done, I could have actually made the chain larger, and I could have just put it over on my wrist. And you would be shocked, it's not heavy. It's really not heavy. And so I thought I would show you guys what I did and how I created this bracelet. And you could like make a whole jewelry set. I could make the earrings to go with it, and I could make the necklace to go with it. And so this is the awesome little kit that you get that has all these gears, and you better believe I will be using these on all of my projects. All these different kinds of gears. So pretty. You know how I love these. Whoops. So you get tons and tons and tons in here. And then you get the chain. And you get a whole big bunch of chain. Look at that. Plenty to make a necklace and earrings. These are your lobster clasps and your earring hoops, or your earring that you would put your chains and stuff on. And then you get 2 different sizes of these little jump rings. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, and I'm going to get me some tweezers. We're going to have to decide what gears we want to use. So let's use, let's see, we'll use, let's see here. That's pretty cool. Let's use that for on the sides. If I can get it. And we'll put that one in the middle. I don't know. Maybe we need to do, let's see here. You know what? I think I would rather have that in the middle and then that on the side, and that be the middle piece. And then what I did was, is I got 2 smaller pieces to put on the sides. So let's see here. Let's put that one and that one. So see, now we know what we want our bracelet to look like. And what you have to do, and I use the big jump rings, I put the big jump rings on the bracelet itself. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to get 4 of the bigger ones out. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think that would be perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, what you'll do is you will take, or I'll show you how I did it. What I did was I barely bent the ring. And you're just going to attach these. Whoops. Come here, little fella. Attach those. And you'll want to close your ring the best you can. And see, that makes that. And so then what we're going to do is we are going to open the ring and put another one. And you'll want to put it straight across, that way it'll lay evenly. And so there's that. And then we're going to attach the other gear. And like I said, this is the first time I've done this. I'm not a jewelry maker, but I wanted to try when I seen this. Normally when I get like jewelry kits like this, I use it on my crafting pages and stuff. So see, there's that set. And so now we want to get a ring and attach. Let's see, go straight across because you want them to be as even as possible. If not, it's going to lay really wonky. Wonky's good, but not in your jewelry, right? All right. And so now you want to close it. And so, look, our bracelet is taking shape. And then now we're going to do the very last big jump ring. We're going to go straight across. Maybe. And we're going to put this one on here. We're going to close it. I know it's kind of hard to see, guys, because these are kind of dark metals. There. So look, there's my bracelet. There's the first of my bracelet. And look, it lays perfect. It lays perfectly flat on my wrist. And you could really put gears all the way around. Ooh, you know what? That would be neat. Oh my goodness, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do the gears all the way around. All right, so we've got those two. Let's see what else we got. We could put those two. There's one and there's one. Yeah, let's do that. So let's get a couple more big jump rings. I think that would be cool. All right, so we're going to get this. And we're going to open that, and we're going to attach this one. Whoops, maybe. And let's close it up. And I know that I should be using two of them, but this is just kind of how I'm rolling. All right, so there is that. Make sure it's going to lay flat. Perfect. Okay. And there we go. And now we're going to attach this one to this side. That's what's so fun about this stuff. You start working and you start playing with it and you're like, ooh, I want to do this. Ooh, I want to do that. Come on, little fella. And I appreciate you guys hanging with me because this is so fun. I've had a ball doing this. And so we're going to attach this where it'll lay flat. Hope you can see that. I'm going to close that up, and it didn't close very roundy, but we'll do the best we can. It's going to be on the back anyway. All right, so there's that. Let's see here. I bet we could do, I know what. Let's just put a little chain. Let's go ahead and put a little chain on the back. That way I can just slide it on my, this hand here is always swollen and chubby as it can be. So I need it to be a little bit bigger if I'm going to be able to wear it. All right, so let's get the smaller ones here. We don't need that many, but that'll be all right. All right, so let's put a smaller chain here, or a smaller jump ring on this one. And we're going to attach some chain. Let me find the end. There it is. All right, and we're just going to put one of the links through that chain, or one of the links through this jump ring, and we're going to close that up. All right, so let's do this, and we want to make sure it hangs just a little bit. So I think I'll cut it maybe just a tad bit bigger than that. So let's just do it right here. And you're going to cut it. Most of your tweezers that you get, or like the pliers and stuff, will have like a little thing that you can cut. I think that one's going to come apart, so we're going to take that one off anyway. Okay. And then we're going to put, and we're almost done, and we've made another bracelet. We are going to put a jump ring on this gear right here. We're going to put it right here, and then you're just going to attach your chain. Let's get, come on, there we go. See, and we attach the chain to the jump ring, and let's get the jump ring closed here. We'll see how close I got it to where I can just actually put it over my wrist. Now, keep in mind, guys, I'm not a jewelry making expert, and I know there's probably, I'm doing all kinds of things wrong, but I'm just learning. So, yeah. And so here is our bracelet. Let's see if I left enough room to go over my, and I did. So look, guys, there is a bracelet that we made with this gear set, and it goes over and it'll stay. How fun is that? And then if I can get, I'll have to have somebody to put this one on for me, then I would have both of these that I could wear. How stinking cute is that? How fun. So if I can make a jewelry, anybody can make jewelry. So thank you guys so very much for hanging with me and having fun making a steampunk bracelet. And like I said, you can make a necklace or earrings, whichever you would like, or just use them on your crafts, which I'm going to do that too. So thank you to Beebeecraft. I truly, truly appreciate them sending me these awesome crafty supplies to play with. I've really learned a lot on this and had so much fun. And I will leave all the links, like I said, down below. Go check them out. May God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.